Hello everyone, this is Anchor, and today I'm going to show you how we can extract LinkedIn links from people names. This is very useful for recruiters, for salespeople, SDR, BDR, but also building data pipeline using fully automation tools like N8N, Meg, Zapier, but also APIs and other things. Very interesting point, we've got more than 5 successful million profiles already found. That being said, let's dive into how to do it. Simply click on try for free. You'll be then redirected to Appify in the free trial. No worries, no credit card is required. It's free for now. You've got 3 days. So after 3 days, if you don't put your credit card, it's just gonna stop. But within that time frame, you can use it for free. What do you need? Simply put people names. John Malkovich, for instance. You can specify a language if you know that the profile is going to be in a very specific language. It helps narrow down and get better results. And also you can select only the first option because you can have like multiple siblings. Let's try. By clicking running, you start the actor. You can follow what's happening in the logs. And once this is over, you can see the result in the output dataset. So you've got your information, what was extracted from LinkedIn. You've got, of course, the LinkedIn URL, exactly what you were looking for. There's the what you searched for. This is, of course, available in the JSON format. And you can, of course, now trigger integration with other tools so that you can be sent through emails to Slack, using Make automation. That's it for now. Enjoy.